The heavy bucket. In a small village, a slender boy with bright, curious eyes was playing near the well when he noticed his grandmother struggling with a heavy bucket of water. The boy thought, "I'm too weak to lift it. It's impossible." But seeing her struggle, he took a deep breath and decided to try. Slowly, step by step, he lifted the bucket. His arms shook and his legs trembled, but he kept going. Halfway home, he stumbled, but remembered the promise he made to help her. Gathering all his courage, he walked carefully and finally reached home. When he set the bucket down, he was surprised it wasn't as heavy as he imagined. His grandmother smiled warmly. "You see, you're stronger than you think, stronger than even you realize. Sometimes you are stronger than you believe. You just need to take the first brave step."